and thank you for joining us for CU Solutions Group's 2020 year-end shareholder update. In this report, I'll review the successes and growth of our technology, marketing, HR performance, and strategic advisory divisions in 2020, as well as look ahead to what we're planning on for 2021. Now, as for the financial results for CU Solutions Group, while we're finalizing the 2020 year-end financial statements, I can report that we're projecting strong financial results despite the loss of the Sprint contract that we had for 15 years and the effects of the pandemic on our business. Our team has navigated through those challenges, and we're pleased to report net income of approximately $4.3 million. And as a result, the CUSG board approved a 50% shareholder dividend to be paid, communicated and paid by the end of January. This should equate to approximately $190 per share. Of course, the numbers will vary somewhat based on actual year-end results. The 2020 audited financial statements will be completed in April, and those final results will be shared with all investors, as is customary, during the annual shareholder meeting. And also noteworthy is the strong balance sheet for CUSG. We're projecting year-end shareholder equity of $75 million with over $54 million in investable capital. So as a result, we have a lot of capital to invest in the future in businesses and products that benefit our shareholders and our customers. Well, 2020 was a pivotal year for CUSG's Technology Solutions division. While consumer banking was already making major strides into the world of financial technology and remote service delivery, the coronavirus pandemic made it virtually impossible for credit unions to rely purely, or heavily that is, on brick and mortar services. With that in mind, CUSG entered into several partnerships and made acquisitions in 2020 that will help position both the company and our clients for the future of remote service delivery and financial services technology. Late in the first quarter, we partnered with SilverCloud on a solution that provides credit unions access to remote technologies such as automated member support, turnkey chatbots, and digital employee support. We also launched a partnership with PocketNest. Through PocketNest, CUSG offers a white label financial budgeting tool designed for a mobile-first consumer base. This unique app puts members in the driver's seat of their fiscal planning, walking them step by step through 10 themes of financial budgeting and financial goal attainment. The application's algorithms then build unique user profiles with recommendations customized to the member's individual financial situation. Earlier in the year, we partnered with Abrigo on its Paycheck Protection Program administration solution. This was important in light of credit unions scurrying to make PPP loans. And while credit unions processed applications and prepared for PPP loan funding, due to the lack of guidance and the fraud exposure, many credit unions and banks focused on existing client relationships and needs during that process. By partnering with Abrigo, CUSG was able to help credit unions extend lending services and address the needs of these new small business borrowers during the pandemic, and that effort continues. In the fourth quarter of 2020, CUSG Technology Solutions announced a partnership with OnDot to offer a digital card management platform. OnDot provides our clients a way to level the playing field against the digital-first card experiences offered by tech giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung. Consumers have long said they want to bank with digitally savvy financial institutions, with digitally savvy credit unions, and this helps meet that desire. The technology team also executed on a partnership and investment with CalcXML, a premier provider of highly customized financial tools and a financial stability index. Credit unions can leverage these resources to deliver snapshots of a member's financial risk exposure in 4 areas: retirement, protection, liquidity, and debt management. While these are important additions to our technology services, we've remained committed to providing safe, attractive, and intuitive web design, web refresh, and hosting services to roughly 400 credit union and CUSO clients across the country. Along with ADA digital compliance services powered by AudioEye, we've made continuous improvements with new and expanded modules. Looking ahead, we're keeping our credit union client experience in mind with an upcoming content management system interface refresh in 2021. We'll be adding new features and updated dashboards to further enhance the user experience. Part of that will include a new cloud-based video service, Video Cloud, as a secure video stream and banking platform. We're completing development on the system as an integration into our CMS or as a standalone solution. We'll have more details on that very soon. Now, our marketing solutions Love My Credit and Rewards program saw the end of a lengthy partnership with Sprint due to the merger of Sprint with T-Mobile. This, as you know, marked the sunset of a long and prosperous partnership with Sprint. However, due to a considerable amount of planning and due diligence by many of us at CUSG, we smoothly transitioned into a partnership with no contract wireless leader, TracFone. Through our new partnership with TracFone, we're able to provide credit union members savings of up to $360 per year on wireless, or as much as a 25% monthly discount on already best in market pricing. With TracFone, members enjoy the exact same wireless service on the exact same cellular network, and they can keep their existing mobile phones while paying a fraction of what they pay today. That's a pretty strong value proposition. Early reception of TracFone has been very positive. More than 300 credit unions attending webinars in the last quarter of 2020 took a real interest in the program. And as of early January this year, more than 150 credit unions have enrolled in the TracFone Cash Rewards program, establishing an addressable market potential of well over 11 million consumers. Love My Credit and Rewards added two more core partners late in 2020, Carvana and Identity IQ. Identity IQ is a unique identity theft and credit protection company that secures members from multiple angles: education and credit tracking, fraud and theft prevention, insurance coverage, and full onshore restoration services should ID theft occur. Credit union members can access an exclusive discount of up to 35% off of retail pricing. Now, Carvana is the leading e-commerce platform for buying certified pre-owned vehicles and is the fastest growing auto retailer in the United States. Members can get pre-approved for an auto loan with their credit union and start shopping more than 20,000 vehicles from the comfort of their homes. As an additional benefit of membership with a credit union, they'll receive $100 cash back through the Love My Credit and Rewards program. Of course, in addition to these new partnerships and offers, we continue to move forward with Intuit TurboTax Online. Through 2020, CUSG remains TurboTax's top producing affinity partner in the financial services sector. We're very proud of that. This is a timely topic as the start of a new tax year is synonymous with the start of tax season. And credit union members will have questions about new tax laws and how changes in their personal lives might affect their tax returns. A great service offered by credit unions to their members. Now, our marketing solutions team made a final push in December, so credit unions taking advantage of the TurboTax program are prepared to be a preferred, quote, everything taxes resource while helping to grow deposits through member tax refunds. Marketing Solutions also had an encouraging year with Member XP, our member experience platform. Initially acquired in the third quarter of 2019, Member XP is the largest provider of direct credit union member feedback via quantitative and qualitative research in the US. In 2020, the Member XP team designed and launched a new sentiment analysis tool as part of its complete member experience suite. This new feature captures previously unquantifiable data from the member experience and adds it to Member XP's closed-loop measurement system, empowering credit unions to measure every touch point of the member experience and gain actionable insights for improvement. Another large key collaboration realized this past quarter was with White 64, a credit and service organization owned by the nation's third largest credit union, PenFed. CUSG now offers White 64's award-winning marketing, campaign, design, digital media, strategy, and studio services to our clients. Strong channel partners like PenFed's White 64 offer opportunities for broader product penetration and expansion. Now in its 12th year, Save to Win continued to generate growth. Now nearly 150 credit unions spanning 22 states are promoting Save to Win price-linked savings. Now with more than 32,000 accounts, $200 million has been saved program to date, and $3.5 million in prizes have been awarded to credit union members nationwide. Some impressive stats. Finally, Cube TV Studios had a productive year serving internal and external credit union and CUSO clients. In early response to the pandemic, Cube TV produced a series of ads to reinforce credit unions' not-for-profit, people-first service mantra, noting the availability of emergency loan restructuring, and deferred payments. As a goodwill effort to the credit industry, CUSG made the series available free of charge to credit unions nationwide. Building on the popularity of these simple to customize videos, Cube TV launched VidFuel, a digital library of pre-produced videos. Credit unions can brand these videos focusing on topics like home and auto, credit, checking, and savings for a nominal fee, and leverage them on social media, streaming services, ATMs, gas station TV, cable broadcasts, or in-branch. Shifting to HR Performance Solutions. HR Performance Solutions ended the year with solid, consistent growth of core products, Performance Pro and Compies. Planning Pro also saw encouraging sales and engagement numbers, with more on the horizon for 2021. One of the tactics that fueled growth and increased usability of these solutions was across-the-board integration of all of these products. Positive feedback from clients has let us know that was a move in the right direction. While we've managed strong and steady growth with our core HR solutions over the past several years, an advantageous addition in 2020 was the Learning Center. In late 2019, CUSG partnered with Canada-based CU Training, acquiring licensing rights to their existing learning management customers here in the US. As we move through 2020, we recognized the full potential of this learning management system and how it could be integrated into our current suite of HR products with Performance Pro, Compies, and Planning Pro. Roughly halfway through the year, we acquired full ownership of CU Training, securing approximately 120 credit contracts in Canada and rebranding the solution as the Learning Center. Now, as a standalone app or integrated with Performance Pro, the Learning Center supports employee learning and development with more than 100 credit courses and exams, including regulatory and compliance training. Moving into 2021, Performance Solutions and Cube TV Studios are collaborating to both enhance current content and develop additional content for a state-of-the-art, best-in-class learning management platform for credit unions and our other clients. By the end of 2020, all four of our owned software solutions, Performance Pro, Compies, Planning Pro, and the Learning Center, received upgraded code bases and servers that supported software expansions. For example, Compies' new manager merit and bonus pay tables, and Planning Pro's growth as a general industry solution for virtual teams. Apart from our own solutions, the Performance Solutions division pursued several business development opportunities with established partners like Jazz HR, Blanchard Consulting Group, Salas Group, and PlanSmith. Midway through the year, CUSG and Chicago-based PlanSmith, a group that has been providing credit unions with budgeting solutions for more than 45 years, came to an agreement on their budgeting software, Compass. Compass is a powerful and dynamic application that can help credit unions assess the financial impact of current economic conditions and make more informed decisions with these budgeting and forecasting tools. This powerful software enables credit unions to quickly import core system data and enhance budget accuracy with integrated forecasting. It also includes comprehensive liquidity and stress testing with customizable board reporting and cloud-based dashboards. Now, turning to strategic advisory solutions. In 2019, CUSG collaborated with 6 leagues and League Infoside, a consortium of leagues, to create CU Risk Intelligence, a governance, risk, and compliance platform, or GRC platform, with a suite of products, Affirmex, ComplySite, and CU Vendor Management. The strategic advisory team kept compliance management services accessible and in the minds of credit union leadership this past year, which led to CU Risk Intelligence earning more than $2 million in revenue in 2020. In May, CU Risk Intelligence efforts focused on regulatory amendments and the Paycheck Protection Program. From there, the team enhanced on the development of new risk management and compliance how-to videos and newsletter content. 11 videos were produced for the free Compliance Care series, and a Knocking COVID-19 Out of the Workplace staff training kit was deployed with a video addressing CDC recommended topics. The integration of ComplySite and Affirmex was pursued in Q4 to bring more flexible options to credit unions. Governance was refreshed to be an inclusive branding of all the division's governance efforts, which is now housed in the e-advisory system. To date, the strategic advisory team has added 7 products under the Governance label, which includes 5 educational videos, 1 consulting service offering, and 1 downloadable product. Our e-advisory virtual consulting services have grown this past year with an addition of 30 new offerings and tools. In addition to being a safe and convenient way to benefit from our strategic planning and risk management expertise during the pandemic, these services allow us to reach groups who would not otherwise have access to high-level resources like small credit unions, young professionals, and marginalized markets. How to be resilient in trying times has been on the mind of credit union leadership for some time, unsurprisingly. Speaking to what we know and have learned about leadership staying power, our strategic advisory services team facilitated the CUNA Resilient Leadership Virtual School in December. Its success has the team excited for their upcoming CUNA engagements in 2021. For the recent strategic planning season, our team developed options for completely virtual, socially distanced in-person, and a hybrid approach to planning. Each option has proved a success and gives credit unions the flexibility they need to determine which option is best for their credit union. This is a prime example of how our strategic advisory division has evolved their services to be scalable in an environment where credit unions' needs are changing dramatically. As we look ahead into 2021, we've laid out 5 strategic priorities for CU Solutions Group. Here they are. Number 1, to enhance and grow the TrackPhone and TurboTax programs and launch new Love My Credit and Reward partnerships. Number 2, to reinvent and improve all of our core solutions with greater focus on credit unions' top priorities. To grow sales for all core offerings in our credit union, non-credit union, and soon international credit union sectors, including or focusing on Canada. Priority number 3, use the subsidiary structure we have for strategic partnerships and shared ownership. Number 4, improve our capital investment strategies and execution and streamline our expenses. We did a lot of that in 2020. We'll continue to be vigilant in the future as well. Number 5, to grow sales of our new CU Risk Intelligence, AudioEye, CalcXML, CTS remote services, the Learning Center, MemberXP, and other new solutions. Thank you for joining us for this Q4 2020 update. As always, your input throughout the year has provided invaluable guidance on how we can grow and evolve and help meet creditors' needs. In all of our offerings and across all divisions, we've pursued a path that quickly delivers digital tools that are easy for creditors to deploy to meet the new and existing needs of members in a very challenging environment. While the precise trajectory of the remainder of the year may not be certain for us or for anyone for that matter, we've worked to maintain our firm footing through additional strategic partnerships and the continued improvement and reinvention of our core offerings. So thank you once again, and here's to a positive and prosperous 2021.